Alright guys, here we go, attempt 3. Hopefully we have sound this time. Alright, welcome back to another weekly weather video by the Weather Wizard. In today's video we are going to discuss short range, long range, and we're going to discuss how the modeling did with this past rain event today and last night. So let's get right into it. How have we been so far this month? So far this month has been drier than normal in the southern tier and a little wetter than normal in portions of New York, but mostly drier than normal. That is because a lot of days have been sunny, and when the rain came, it really came. So actually, where my station is, we're above average because of sporadic thunderstorms, heavy thunderstorms that came through. One day we almost got an inch of rain. It just depends on where you are. It's a general view of the precipitation anomaly. So this is the past rainfall for the last 24 hours in the whole United States. So as you can see, the modeling did okay. Short range did way better than the long range. Europeans said we were going to get about an inch here in Rochester, maybe a little more. We only ended up with about half an inch. Bulk of the rain missed us. Where the big rains fell was near Buffalo, near Binghamton, Ellicottville, West Valley, just north of West Valley, and in parts of southwestern Connecticut, and just north of New York City. Actually, New York City got a fairly healthy dose of rain, 3/4 of an inch. So that was what happened with this. Month to date, as I said already, we are near average. Temperatures, we are also near average. Where are we headed? So this is one of the indices we track called the MJO. It has 8 phases. It's basically just a cluster of thunderstorms east of Africa that is on the move from west to east in different phases. So it goes 1 through 8. So currently, so far this month, we have been in phase 8, which is a cool and dry phase. And the models are trying to suggest we're going to go into phase 1, which would be a warmer phase and possibly a wetter phase. But if we go into this center circle, the MJO is useless, and you can't use it to forecast the weather because that means there's no event going on right now. There's no defined cluster of thunderstorms to follow in any phase. What we look at here, this is the ENSO phase. We look at sea surface temperatures here. If it's cooler than normal, it's La Nina. Warmer than normal, El Nino. And if it's near average, it's a neutral. Well, where have we been? Past couple winters, we've been in a La Nina. Those are often harder to forecast. Well, what could this summer and winter be? This is key for especially our winter weather. Not so much summer, but winter weather. If you love cold and snow, you better be rooting for this dashed line to be close to this line right here where my cursor is. And that's where it's headed. So that's just an early indication of what it could be for the fall and the winter. Could be an interesting winter ahead, as it always is in the Rochester area. As we end every video, we're going to end on a 7-day forecast. So, well, let's get into that right now. Alright guys, so here's your 7-day forecast today. That rain this morning is moving out and the sun's trying to peek out now. By the time the Spencerport Parade is up and running, it should be fairly sunny. And temperatures will climb into the middle to upper 60s possibly. Tonight will be seasonable in the middle 50s. Tomorrow you can expect a little bit warmer conditions in the low to middle 70s. Also a low in the middle 50s. Saturday, maybe a few passing thunderstorms. Highs in the low 70s, lows in the middle 50s. For the second half of your weekend, much of the same, a few showers. And then next week, it will turn warmer. Monday into Tuesday and Wednesday, progressively warmer. By middle to late next week, it will definitely get very toasty. So be ready for that. It won't be super long-lived as I see it, so just enjoy it while it's here. So that is it for today's video, everyone. Make sure to subscribe and like the video and share it with your friends, and I'll catch you guys in next week's episode.